Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Fine? That's good. So, before starting, recite a dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. So, students, we are back. Are you wondering what's special for today? Yes, you wonderful kids. I brought some interesting thing for you. Today we are going to be looking at the naming words. What? The naming words. Good. Now let's start. So students, have you ever observed that everything around us has a name? हमारे आसपास जो भी चीज़ें हैं उनका एक स्पेसिफिक नेम है. आपने कभी ऑब्जर्व किया है? यस. सो वी विल स्टार्ट एन एक्टिविटी टू फाइंड आउट द नेम्स. आर यू रेडी? गुड. सो लुक एट दीज पिक्चर्स. Here find out the person's name and circle them. So here is farmer, good, mother, father, policeman and doctor. Wow, we have find the person's name. Good, excellent, mashallah. So now look at the next. In these pictures, we have to find out the animal's name. Yes, ant, elephant, dog, hen, cow, butterfly, and fish. That's good. What is next? Here we will find the names of things. Yes, pen, ball, chair, cup, apple, and orange. These all are things, so circle them. Excellent. So here we will identify the place's name. So find with me. Yes, the first is island. Good. Jungle. Yes. Class. Pen. And find another. Yes, zoo. Good. Here we have also find the names. So the names of person, place, thing or animal are naming words. So what we call the naming words? Yes, we call them as noun. So noun is a name of a person, a place, a thing or an animal. Open your workbook. Today I told you about the noun. So now we will do page number 23 and 24 on your workbook. So let's open page number 23. Today's our topic is noun. Firstly, mention the date and day. Okay. So, students, you have to write the noun's definition here as it is already written above the lines. As it is written above, noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing as table, line, etc. So you have to write down here on the lines. Good. Now the next is color the space red if it names a person. Color the space blue if it names a thing. Color the space yellow if it names a places. And color the space green if it names an animal. आपने red, blue, yellow and green color use करने हैं. Okay. So the first word is bus. So bus is a thing. So you will color the space as blue. So the next is crow. Crow is an animal, bird animal. So you have to color it as green. Next is farmer. You will color it as red because it's a person name. And we will color the space yellow on the place's name. As here the school is a place, so you will color the space yellow. And you will also color the other person, things, places and animals by coloring red, blue, yellow and green. Okay, got it? Good. So the next is, can you guess the nouns from the clues below? जो 4 clues दी गए हैं, ठीक है, इनसे आपने noun guess करने हैं. Like a small box full of sticks. What is it? It's like a riddles. So what is it? A small box full of sticks. It's a matchbox. Good. So the next is something we put on a letter. We put on a letter is a stamp. You will write here stamp. The third is we put on the light with this. How we put on the light with this? What is it? It's a lamp. A lamp. You will write a lamp. So the last is we keep ourselves warm at night with this. What we use at night to keep ourselves warm? It's a blanket. Good, excellent, mashallah. Now comes toward the next page, page number 24. And also mention the date and day. Here is a puzzle. So you have to find out the names of animals and birds in horizontally, that means in straight line, and vertically means in downward lines. आपने horizontally और vertically animals or birds के names find out करने हैं and fill the blanks with the names of animals and birds. Okay, so the first word we find is donkey in horizontal line on the first line here, and we will write on the first blank donkey. Good. So the next we will see in the vertical line, in the first line, bull, bull. So we will write on the next blank bull. And the third word we will find in the vertical line on the next line, dog, D-O-G, dog. So we will write here on the third blank dog. And here on the last line in horizontal, in straight line, ox, O-X. We will write ox here. Okay. So next is rat. In the third line vertically. R-A-T, rat. Good. And in front of it is owl. O-W-L, owl. And there is also a cat. C-A-T, cat. आपने ये सब वर्ड्स इन ब्लैंक्स में लिखने हैं, ठीक है. And here is hen in horizontal line, H-E-N, hen. So we have find the animals and birds name. Good. So students, all the new words are noun. So drop the first and last letter of each word to make a smaller word. Here are 4 words. अपने first और last alphabet इनका मिसप्लेस करके ड्रॉप कर देना है और फिर आपने न्यू वर्ड्स स्मॉलर वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. लाइक हनी, इसका फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट लेटर ड्रॉप करें. यस, इट्स अ वन. O-N-E, वन. द नेक्स्ट इज ब्रेड. रिप्लेस B and D. It's a ear. Good. Next is charts. Drop the first and last letter. Here is a word hat. The next is spine. Drop the first and last letter. It's a pin. Good. So the next is recall the story The Great Race. Find and write 4 nouns from it. हमने स्टोरी पढ़ी थी द ग्रेट रेस, यूनिट 1, and you have to find and write 4 nouns from it. So what is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, thing, and animal. So in this story we find a name of person, that is Mr. Policeman. And we will find the things like motorcycle and bicycle, and the place road, and we will write policeman, motorcycle, bicycle, and road. There are 4 nouns. Now look at the next page, page number 25. It's a home task for you. You have to mention the date and day and join the dots and color in the scene. आपने dots join करके picture complete करनी है और color करना है and describe the nouns in the given picture. Pictures में जो noun दिए गए हैं उनको describe करना है. Okay, it's a home task for you. Got it? Now stay safe and sound. Fi amanillah.